Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So wow, we have a good news. We now have a private bag making class on Telegram where you will get to learn different type of designs of school bag. Like all this one you are seeing here, they are already in our private group. So if you are interested, send me a message on WhatsApp. Yes, send me a message. This is my WhatsApp number on the screen. Send me a message on WhatsApp for more details, or better still, all the details you need, they are even here on this video. So watch this video to the end to get the details. So in that class, all these lunch bags, school bags, all of them, they are already in the class. So, and also if you want to start bag making business, you like what you are seeing, you want to start, or you want to start a YouTube channel on bag making, on just chat me or WhatsApp me on this number on the screen. Send me a WhatsApp message that this is what you want, and I'll be putting you through. Do we understand? So we now have a private class. Many people will be asking me, do you have a private class? Do you have a private class where you can learn more, where we can get one-on-one access to you? And we are be saying that they should wait. We are working on it now. The class is ready. Even souvenir bags, we teach you souvenir bag, we teach you calculation on souvenir bag, the measurement you'll be needing, how many bags your yard will give you, how many yards you need to do 100 bags, to do 500 bags. All this one we teach in our private class. Things that we cannot teach on YouTube here, they are in our private class. So if you are interested, please don't delay. Class is already filling up. People are already in the class. Yes, we have over 100 something people already in the class already. So guys, chat me up and I will give you the access to the class. Yes, if you have any question, send me a message. This number on the screen, just send a message, or you drop it in the comment section. The class fee is 12,500. As you just see it now, 12,500 is not for, it's for as long as you want. It's not for just 1 month, 2 months, for as long as you want. So I'll be waiting for you. Send me a message and I will give you access to the class after payment. See you in class. Bye.